Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamal from JAMIIELLA.com. Wait a minute, something don't seem right. Maybe I need to have a little bit of light. Is that better? Hi guys, it's Jamila from JAMIIELLA.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Neewer ring light. Before we get into this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a lot of your friends, and remember, when you subscribe, don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be alerted or notified when I upload another video. So this is what I look like without the ring light, y'all. Okay, I've been recording like this for a long time on my channel. I know the struggles with the sun going in and out, with the clouds moving, you know, passing by. Like now it's just going darker and darker, and it reflects in my videos. Okay, I hate editing my videos when it has sun issue, like lighting issues, and I hate putting that out there for you guys. But anyways, we don't have to do that anymore. Let me go ahead and turn this ring light back on for you. Okay, so this is the lowest. I don't want to be washed out. If I put it on the highest beam, this is how that look like. I mean, you guys let me know, because I'm just looking in the viewfinder and I kind of feel like I'm a little bit washed out. So that's like the highest. I think, no, this is the highest. Oh my god, I can't even look at it. But this is the highest it goes, and it hurts my eyes. I can't even look at you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down a little bit. So this is like the medium highest. My eyes are a little bit better now. I can actually see you guys. And I'm gonna put it on a little bit lower, but this is like medium low. I think I'm comfortable with this this level of light, but let me just turn it up a little bit. Yeah, because I don't want to be washed out, y'all. Okay, I don't want to be washed out. Just comment below which one you thought was better, the high, the medium low, or just the low. Let me know below. So I got this from Amazon, by the way. It was $132 with taxes and everything. They try to get me $50 off, but to get $50 off, you have to apply for a credit card. I'm just like, I have 2 of those in my name already. What are you trying to do, universe? Put me in that. So I was like, no, I don't want another credit card. I would just pay the full price, and I did, and I'm glad I did. I am in love with this bag, by the way. I mean, anytime I want to go somewhere, I could just put everything in here and just carry it everywhere with me. I love when brands think about the customer and not so the product. The only thing that I can say that I don't like about this will be in the actual clip that I'm going to show you guys right now. Hi guys, so this is what the ring light comes in. Don't mind my cat because she is just acting crazy right now, but this is what the box looks like. I'm gonna let my cat do its thing right now, but Destin, you gotta go, because mommy is using a knife to open this box. Excuse moi. Thank you. So I'm gonna open up, because I don't know what a box cutters is. I'm gonna take my time, open this up, and see what this look like. I didn't mean to put it on my bed, but honestly, y'all, I'm so excited to buy this ring light. Let me tell you, because that ain't doing it for me no more. So as you can see, this is what it looks like with all this stuff in there. I'm gonna remove that. And ta-da! So it comes in another box. So we have what came in the box, which is, this is the ring light, I believe, and this is a stand. Let me open this right here. This is what that looked like out of the box. I believe this is the stand for the ring light itself. So that's what that looked like. I gotta say, I love the idea of having like a little bag for this ring light, because sometimes you do want to go other places and you don't know how to, you know, package it or not. So this is a perfectly good idea. I got the ring light out. I'm so excited for this. I believe this is the second pair of, like, I think it comes with 2 different colors. I didn't think it was so big, y'all. It is huge. Okay, it is huge. And let me just open this to see exactly what's in here. So this is what's in the box. We got some instructions here. I think this is like a little remote or something, a little remote control that comes with it. I think this is, I'm not sure what this is as yet. Oh, this is like part of the I believe this is part of the stand, like where you put the stand on. And this is the light. I got the white and I got this color, which I'm just gonna use the white, honestly. And then we got the battery, we have the plug-in adapter. All right guys, so this is what the ring light looks like right here. It's such a beauty. I think it's on the second highest setting right now. This is like, ooh, this is too bright, as you guys can see. Way bright. So you could actually like turn it really low. I think this is the lowest setting they have, or it could even be even lower. Let me see. So that's off, but once you turn it on, and the switch is down here, by the way. Let's turn it on. That is beautiful. All right guys, I went ahead and put my Canon camera in between the light. It's on low light right now. I don't know how this is gonna work, but the only thing I could say that I don't like about this is that if you don't have a tripod, another tripod to support your Canon, you're gonna have to use this, and it is so hard to tighten the neck on this because the switch is actually right here and it's just so small, y'all. Another thing that I don't like about this, I feel like this is really cheap. It need to be more stern than this. I guess I can use my, I don't even know if I can use my old tripod to stand up the light. I like the light, but the stand is just really cheap. When you get a light in like this, you want to be able to record in the evenings, in the night. Since I've been home from work almost 2 months now, anytime I feel like I want to record a video is at night. And when I didn't have light in, y'all, I kid you not, I couldn't do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this light in over this way in front of my bed area, so you guys can see what that looked like instead of having it in front of the window. So I adjusted my camera and moved in front of my bed area so you guys could see the light a little bit better. I feel like this is a great place to record now. I could definitely take this and go to the living room and record if I don't want to record in my bedroom. I just feel like this part is just a great thing for me right now. And I'm so excited, y'all. I am so excited. I feel like this is the best investment that I have made for my channel. I want to have amazing quality. I want to see my skin, okay, through these lenses. I'm sick and tired of like editing my videos and I'm like, I'm thinking I'm in focus and I'm not most of the time. So yeah, that really bites. But today is a new day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you have any questions about the Neewer ring light, please comment down below. I would love to answer any of your questions. Oh, and the shipping, I'm gonna just say the shipping was so fast, knowing that everything was going on right now. I think I ordered it the same week and I got it that Friday, right? Was it Friday? No, Thursday. I just love Amazon, y'all. I love shopping on Amazon. And yeah, this purchase, I don't regret it. I will link the exact link in the below section. But anyways, y'all, I'll love to hear from you all. Please comment down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. It means the world to me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and share with all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified on a future video. And yeah, I enjoyed this review so much, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next review.